Investment subject to market risk. Read all the document carefully. This channel is for education purpose. We are not responsible for your profit and loss. We are not a SEBI registered advisor. You can analyze your stock before investing. In this video, we are discussing about bullish engulfing, strategy of bullish engulfing, how to build and how to trade using this pattern in detail with the live example. Hello my dear friends, in this video we are discussing about bullish engulfing pattern. In the previous video we are discussing about one of the bullish pattern. It is a hammered pattern. This is a second pattern. It is a bullish engulfing pattern. A bullish engulfing is a candlestick chart pattern that can be identical protector reversal from the downtrend to a trend in a financial market. Such type of trading. This pattern consists of two candles. First candle and second candle. Combination of two candles. First candle is a small bearish candle which indicate that sellers are in control and the price is declining. Second candle, a large bullish candle that completely engulfed by a first candle, indicating that buyers have to take control, are pushing price higher. For a pattern significant, the market should be in a clear down trend. The first candle should be relatively small. The second candle should be significantly larger and compare and cover a body of the first candle from open to close. Interpretation. Interpretation means in the three things is comes into the picture. Physical shift. A pattern physical are shifted in a market significant from bearish to bullish. Trend reversal. It often considers signal the downtrend may be ending and an uptrend could be beginning on one of the confirmation. Traders are typically look for the confirmation in a following days, such a higher trending volume or additional bullish candle or any signal of a trend reversal. This thing also be happened. Example: imagine following trading days. Day 1, a stock opened at 50, drops at 48, and close at 49. This form a bearish candle. The stock Day 2, the stock opened at 47, rising to 52 and closing at 51. This forms a bullish candle. This is completely engulfing the first day bearish candle. In this example, bullish and bearish engulfing pattern suggest the potential shift from selling side to a buying side. Here is the beautiful example image. of this. Bearish candle, open, close, downtrend, gap up, bullish candle, close above the previous candle open, bullish candle open at the lower, then the previous candle close. This is the live example entry exit target. Trend is downtrend. This candle is also be down. The second candle angle this entire candle body. Yes. This candle is bullish. Yes. Information comes into this picture. Bullish engulf candle high is broken by this immediate candle. Yes. Then you can enter into this kind of trend as a uptrend. Stop loss of your is about these two candle low. And you can see that. Then here you can trail your stop loss up to this level. Now you can enjoy this. Another live example. This is you can see that bullish engulfing pattern. Entire body covered by the bullish candle. Yes. RSI indicate the uptrend becomes. Yes. Indicating B to this type of thing. Oversold. Then you can trade. This candle is broken high. Yes, you can enter into this candle. Your stop loss is this candle low. You can see the imagine. If you are not trailing your stop loss, then you can see that your trade is open. You again open into this. You can see that this type of thing. This is false. Why? Because RSI not indicated confirmation not comes to actually into the picture. If this confirmation comes, this is a bearish candle. If it is a bullish candle and look like this type of confirmation, then the stock goes around this level. I also recommended this before about this candle, around this candle, but I am a false because confirmation trade is not come into the picture. Thank you for listening, my friends. Thank you, friends.